Hi students, welcome to mathematics class. First chapter name numbers. First chapter name numbers. Good. First of all, what are the topics in this lesson? What are the topics in this lesson we are going to learn? Let us have a look here. First, numbers with 7 or more digits. Numbers with 7 or more digits. In your previous class, you learnt 5 and 6 digits numbers. Yes? The numbers with 5 and 6 digits you learnt. In this lesson, you are going to learn 7 or more digits. Okay? You are going to learn the numbers with 7 or more digits. First of all, what is the meaning of digits, students? Example 132. 132. What is 132? It is a number. It is a number. One digit. Another digit. Another digit. Simply we can say 132 is the number with 3 digits. Okay? The number with 3 digits. One more example, 1000 here. What is this number? 1000. 1000. It is a number. 1000 is a number with 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. 1000 is the number with 4 digits. Okay, students, are you finding the difference between number and digits? Yes. Total, this is called number. Every individual is called digit. Clear? So in this lesson you are going to learn about 7 or more digits. Okay? Next, place value of digits. Place value of digits. Example 2 here, 7 here. Maybe you learned in previous class also. 7, this is ones place, this is tens place. What is the place value of 2? Ones, tens. In tens place 2 is here, so 2 into 10, that is equal to 20. What is the place value of 2? 20. Yes, like that problems we are going to solve in this lesson. Next topic, number names. Number names. ONE1, TWO2, THRE3, FOUR4, yes, TEN10, TWENTY 20, 30, 100, 1000, 10,000, yes. After that 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, 1 crore, all these number names you will learn in this chapter. Okay? Maybe you learn 5 to 6 digits, 5 and 6 digit numbers in previous class. It means lakh, 10 lakh maybe you learn. In this lesson more number names we are going to learn. Next, expanded form. Expanded form. Do you remember what is the expanded form? For example, 343 given, that is equal to ones, tens, hundreds. So 300 plus ones, tens, then 40 plus what is here? 3. This is called expanded form. This is called short form. Okay, do you remember, students? This is expanded form. The numbers will be given in short form. Then we should write in its expanded form. Okay. Next, successor and predecessor. Successor and predecessor. What is successor? Successor means one number increases. One number increases. Example, telling for successor, I am telling an example for successor. 1 is here. What is the successor of 1? One number should be increased. Then 2. 2 is the successor of 1. Next, what is the successor of 2? One number increase. 3. What is the successor of 3? Add one more number. 4. What is the successor of 4? 5. Yes. What is the successor of 5? 6. Then what is the successor of 6? Say. Yes, 7. What is the successor of 7? 8. Okay, got it? Good. Next, what is the successor of 100? Increase one number. 101. Good. What is the successor of 101? 102. Next, what is the successor of 299? Yes, 300. Just add one more number. 300. What is the successor of 500? 500. 1 is the successor of 500. Okay. Do you remember? Already learnt in your previous class. Next, predecessor. Predecessor is opposite to successor. In successor matter, in the matter of successor, one number is increasing. Yes. In the matter of predecessor, one number decreases. Example, 10 is here. What is the predecessor of 10? 9. One number decreases. One number decreases. Next, what is the predecessor of 9? 8. Next, what is the predecessor of 8? 7. Next, what is the predecessor of 7? 6. Clear? Next, what is the predecessor of 99? 99 predecessor? Just decrease one number. 98. What is the predecessor of 345? What is the predecessor of 345? 344. Okay, students, clear? So, in this lesson also, we are going to face the problems about successor and predecessor topic. Next, comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers. Yes, if two numbers are given, we compare the numbers. Okay. Next, greatest and smallest. Which is the greatest number? Two or more numbers if given, which is the greatest number we need to say. Otherwise, which is the smallest number, or write in ascending order, write in descending order, increasing order or decreasing order. Okay, next, rounding of numbers. Yes, already you faced in this topic in previous class also, rounding of numbers. Example, 9 is given, 9 is given, round off it to nearest 10. Yes, which is the nearest 10 to 9? 10. 10, right? Okay. If 16 given, what are the 10s available? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, 16 is here. Yes, which is the nearest 10 to 16? If we want to go this side, 1, 2, 3, fourth number. By crossing 3 numbers, we will reach to 20. Okay, let us think about previous 10, before 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If 16 wants to reach before 10, it should cross, okay, it should cross 5 numbers. After that, sixth number is 10. So which is the nearest 10? 10 or 20? Here 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers after 10's place coming. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means 5 numbers after coming. Which is the nearest? Yes, rounding off to 20. Okay, rounding off to 20. One more example I am giving for you. Okay, 44. 44 given, round off to its nearest 10. 44 means 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Yes, 44 right side 50 is available as 10's place. 44 before 40 is available as 10's place. 44 is here. Round off to its nearest 10. Just look at here. If 44 is here, where is 50? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers after 50 coming. Here left side 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers after 10's coming. So which is the nearest 10? Yes, 40 is the nearest 10. So round off to 40. Yes, in previous class also you learnt about this topic. Okay, round off to its nearest tens, round off to its nearest hundreds, round off to its nearest thousand. Like the topics also we will cover, we will learn in this chapter. Next, international system of numeration. Yes, there are two types of systems of numeration. One is Indian system of numeration. Second one is international system of numeration. Okay, already we know Indian system of numeration. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, yes, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores. Yes. In this chapter, we will learn about international system of numbers also. Ones. What is international system of numeration? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Here is changing. 100,000s. In Indian system, 1 lakh comes. Here, 100,000s is coming. Okay? 100,000s. After million, 10 millions. Yes, this is what international system. There are some differences between Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Example, we say 1 lakh rupees. Another country people, internationally they use 100,000 rupees. 100,000. How many thousands are there in 1 lakh? 100,000. They use to say 100,000s. Next we say 10 lakhs, right? 10 lakhs. They say 1 million. It means 1 million is equal to 10 lakhs. If somebody say 2 millions, it means 20 lakhs. If somebody say 3 million, 30 lakhs. If somebody say 5 million, 50 lakhs. If somebody say 10 millions, it means 1 crore. 100 million, 10 millions, 1 crore. Okay, 100 lakhs. Okay, all these topics will be covered in this chapter. Okay, children, are you ready? Okay, are you ready to learn easily? Yes. Okay, good. Okay, children, these problems are from page number 246. Okay, do you remember? It means revision topic. Okay, let us read first question. The numeral. What is the task here? We need to write numeral. The numeral for 3 lakhs, for 10,000s, for 10,000s, 3,000s, 200s, 7 tens and 5 ones. Okay, first of all, let us write system of numeration. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So this problem is starting from lakhs. First of all, lakhs place. What is that lakhs place? 3. So 3 is here. Next, lakhs after 10,000s place. Come to the problem. 10,000s place. How many 10,000s are here? 4. So 4. Next, 10,000s after thousands, right? At thousands place, what is the number here? 3. So write 3 here. Next, thousands after hundreds place. What is the number at hundreds place? 2. So write 2 here. Next, hundreds after tens. How many tens are here? 7. So 7. Finally, ones place. What is the value at ones place? What is the number here? 5. So 5. ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. 3 lakh 43,275 is the number. Okay, clear? Next, second problem. The numeral. In this question also, task is writing the numeral. Numeral for what is the number? This is called ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So 6 lakhs. Next, ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s. So 40,000. 40,000s. Here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 5,000. Here 300. Here 50. Next 7. So according to the system of numeration, no gap anywhere. Yes, all the serial is covered. How? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000s, lakh. So every number of the starting, okay, every digit of starting the number, just we need to club them. 6 lakhs. So 6. 40,000. 4. 5,000. 5. 300. 3. 50. 5. Finally 7. So 7. Now ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s, lakh. 6 lakhs 45,357. So finished. Next, one more question is here. The numeral for 3,66,554 is dash. In second question is given in the form of expanded form. Yes, just expanded form is given here. We written short form. We written in short form. In this third question, number is given in the words. In words. Yes, 3,66,554. Yes. First of all, let us check all the places are available or not. 4 ones place is here, 50 tens place is here, 100 hundreds place, 500 yes hundreds place also available, 6,000 1000, next 10,000, 60,000 means 10,000 place, next 3 lakh means lakhs place also available according to the system of numeration. Okay, so 3 lakh means 3. 66,000, it means 66,000. Next 500, 5 and 54 means 55. 4. Read the number now. 3,66,554. Okay, clear? Problems write in your classwork, students. Okay. Note down this homework, students. 3 questions are given here for you. First, note down 3 problems. Solve them. Okay, write in your homework book. First problem, write the numeral for, okay, given expanded form here. Okay, expanded form given here. Second question also same, write the numeral for, just read the problem. Next, third problem also same, write the numeral for. Okay, read them and write according given problems. Okay, write the numeral. Okay, students, all the topic which we covered, just understand. Already we practiced 3 problems. Write them in your classwork and write these problems in your homework notebook. Thank you.